Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC, great start off for the day, guys. Just like we was expecting to keep our mouth closed on those predictions on last night and the day before. We kept our mouth closed and we seen a difference in the price section, guys. Not saying by any means that somebody's hawking me down, my little old self. Some hater in the comments didn't even understand what I was saying the last video. I was saying I don't personally think they're watching me, but it's crazy how as I stopped mentioning the price section, it started doing what we was expecting it to do. On Monday, the price section was supposed to easily been what it's showing on today, but they made it do the opposite. We ended up trending downwards on Monday, and then all of a sudden we kept our mouth closed on Tuesday. We had great price action, and on Wednesday we looking to have some great price action, guys. So we got above that resistance I was telling you guys about. The first resistance through yesterday was 1575. The second resistance on yesterday was 1675. That's what we had a breakthrough, guys. We broke through it with ease, and I told you guys once we break through it, we can run up to the $18-19 range, and then we want to see us form support right around that 1675, guys. We don't want to go quite as low if we don't have to. It'd be good to build support around the low 17s, but 1675 is where we want to build support at. That's how you show strength in a continuation when a security or asset is building higher lows and also coming back down to form support near the previous breakthrough point, which was our resistance, guys. So AMC is looking, good to start off the day, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We up over 5%. We also have this great news. We know AMC is working extremely hard to get in front of this thing and make sure they can do all the things they can do possible to make this a fundamentally valued company at the price that it's at, a great value company at the price that it's currently trading at, to get more investors long terms to be holding it, to get more institutions to be holding it at these price range, guys. So AMC is doing what they do. On yesterday, we just got some good news. We know good news don't tend to always give us the price action we want, but like I've been telling you guys from the beginning, it's always better to hear good news, good catalysts around the AMC than bad news and negative news, because we know for a fact that that bad news can bring us down. But even when the good news, if it want to bring us down and don't trade exactly how we anticipating on trading from the news that we received, we still know we got good news that brought us down, so it's not adding up. But the bad news bring us down, it don't add, it's adding up, I guess. It's bad news, if that makes sense, guys. So it's always good to hear good news, rather they put it inside of our price action and add it up with the price action that we're currently trading up at or not, guys. So AMC hires former Frito-Lay hostess executive to help grow his retail popcorn business. So that's very smart of AMC, guys. Before we even get into it, we know AMC is doing kiosks in order to sell popcorn without even going to the movie theaters. You can get the popcorn from the kiosk, enjoy it in your car, enjoy it at your home, at the comfort of your home, watching your own movie. That's real dope, guys. A lot of people like the movie theater popcorn. They feel like it's a different vibe, a different taste than regular popcorn that you can get from anywhere else, guys. So they most definitely would bring in bukus of cash with this little side investment, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. AMC said Wednesday it has hired Ellen Kopkin, a former Frito-Lay hostess brand executive, to help lead the company's move into the retail popcorn industry. The hire come as the movie theater operator begins later in 2022 to sell AM theaters perfectly popcorn at select mall retail locations. As previously announced, AMC stock rose 1.1% in the pre-market trading after surging 10% on Tuesday. Kopkin will be Vice President Growth Strategy effective February 18th. She was most recently a partner at consulting firm Sterling Rice Group for the past 4 years. Before that, she held a leadership roles for Frito-Lay, Pepsi-Cola, and Hostess brand. I have been vocal about our intention to innovate, grow, and transform AMC's business with our planned venture into the multi-billion-dollar popcorn industry, being a significant example of our doing so, said AMC chief executive. So AMC is definitely making a power move here, guys, and they not just coming up with this new business venture, this new strategy, and not having the right people in place to help make sure they grow to their maximum potential. They could have just did all of this, can't got their own CEOs, their own directors, their own people that's already higher up to help do this business adventure and do what it's gonna do. But no, AMC CEOs like, no, we gonna go ahead and get some of the best to help come in that's already been dealing with things like this to help make sure we grow to the best of our potential, guys. And that's always great to see, guys. It always better to spend a little bit more extra money in order to bring in even more on the back end, guys. So if they would have did it by themselves, they probably could have cleared 10 million, 15 million in a year. You get what I'm saying? But if they bring in somebody, which most business people don't want to do because they feel like they losing money and on short term, but in long term, they're not seeing the bigger picture. Well, I could pay somebody $1 million a year, $250,000 a year, $500,000 a year, whatever their prices is. I could pay them on salary and have them on our team to help grow this when they already done been doing it for decades. So that way, I feel as if we hire them, we gonna make 30, 40, 50 million in a year instead of the 10, 15 million we was going to make. And then when we pay them what we gonna pay them, we still profiting a whole lot on the back end, way more than we could have did it on our own. So that's always smart, guys, and a great, a great situation for AMC to be in, because they is most definitely trying to, get ahead of this thing very, very quickly. And they moving, they moving strategically, guys. Just yesterday, they announced, they reopening 2 theaters that was closed prior to the pandemic. Now they reopen them, which is going to bring more revenue, more profits. They doing this kiosk thing. They doing things with rappers, trying to get rappers to start performing in the theaters. This, that, and that. They doing a whole lot of stuff, guys. So, it's just good to be a part of this. And you already know, guys, we got to keep doing what we're doing. So AMC is looking like it's about to do what we was expecting for it to do today. But after running up like this in pre-market, don't be surprised for any pullbacks, guys. AMC got to pull back. You know how it does. It's not going to just take off like a bat out of hell just yet. But those days are coming. That time is coming, guys. So you already know, guys, as long as we can continue to baby step our way up, get out of these teens, work our way to the 20s, get to that main resistance at 22. Once we break above 22, that's when the takeoff will really happen, guys. We should be able to shoot straight up to the high 20s, right at the low 30s. So that's all I got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update on AMC, let you guys know the news and also the price action. So I love you guys. You already know what to do. Consider joining the family. Add me on Instagram. Hit that red button. I love you. We out. God bless you. We gone.